Shut up and sit down.
Good morning and happy Sunday, everybody. This is Alexis with Financial Phoenix, and I am here today just to go over the best digital coupons at Dollar General that you should definitely be clipping this week, and some of the coupons on coupons.com that you should clip as well, because these are going to be helpful to you for deals at various stores throughout the week. You may have noticed, if you followed our channel for any amount of time, that I have started putting out the Dollar General ad preview a little bit earlier, so you can see it as a preview for next week instead of just seeing it the week of. So I wanted to give you guys the option to see that early, but also that means that now our coupon video has to be separate on Sundays after the new coupons come out. So hopefully you guys are cool with that, but I still like going over the best coupons with you guys because I think it's helpful to know what type of things to clip. Let's go ahead and get started. To start with, I don't know if anyone's trying this DG rewards section up here at the top. The ones that I seem to have here are the Quaker. You have to spend 10 on, not Quaker, is it Nabisco? No, it's Quaker products. Quaker products. I have to spend 10 in order to earn $2 off my next purchase of 201. This one for Kellogg's where you have to spend 25, and this one for Mountain Dew where you have to buy 5 and then you get 1 for 1 cent. So none of those seem like amazing deals to me. If it happens that, now I did enroll for them just because, maybe there happens to be an awesome deal on Quaker products, and then, I spend this amount and I get this free $2, but I'm not actively trying to work toward those or anything. So just FYI, let me know if you guys are, if that's something that's of interest to you, but I'm really not. Now, because the gain deals are back in full force, I'm clipping all gain coupons, anything that could be gain related. Even now, see this Mr. Clean one right here? There are some Mr. Clean products that are gain scented, so I'm clipping that too. Always clip your Tide coupons, anything detergent wise and toilet paper wise. I pretty much clip just to make sure that we've got those ready to go. And by the way, here's a little tip for you guys. Make sure that you clip stuff early in the week, Sunday or Monday, as soon as you can once the week starts, because that's Dollar General is famous for coupons being removed before their expiration date. So do not wait until Friday night at 11 p.m. to clip your coupons for the following Saturday, because a lot of them might be gone. I always clip this 5 off of 3 Pantene products, but usually Pantene ends up being a better deal at CVS, so I don't use that a whole lot at Dollar General, but, it's good to have it just in case. This 3 off of 2 on the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner is good. I always clip Irish Spring because we usually have instant savings for things like Irish Spring, soft soap, Degree, Vaseline, really good savings on personal care products that way. I would probably clip this save $5 on 2 Always Discreet incontinence products. That's a high value coupon right there, and even if it's not something that you use, you could always donate or save for a friend or somebody who needs it, but that might help bring your total down considerably. We like those $4 or $5 coupons for sure. Definitely clip this Glad food protection coupon. My store doesn't have it. I've checked a couple different times, but I know that other people have gotten this item in the $1 aisle at their stores for really, really cheap. So it ends up, I think, being just 25 cents, which is a great filler item to add to your 5 off of 25 deal. I can't seem to find this in my dollar aisle, but I know that some people have done it. So if you can check your dollar aisle for that, that would be a really good item to add. I'd go ahead and clip the buy 2 get 1 free on the Friskies. I know there's another deal on dry cat food if you're a cat person that we're going to want to clip this week as well. Probably going to want to go ahead also and clip this $1 off Sour Punch assorted Easter twists, because $1 off of 1, I'm imagining that's not a super expensive product and it's an Easter thing. Again, another good filler item. You just got to start thinking about what type of items would make up a good 5 off of 25 transaction. Don't forget, we've still got our 3 off of 12 on these Axe, Caress, Degree, Dove, Noxzema, Pond's, Q-Tips, St. Ives, Suave, Tresemme, and Vaseline products. Okay, you've also got these high value $3 off of one CoverGirl eye product and $3 off one CoverGirl face product coupons. Those are good to have. Also, the $3 off Dulcolax, and we often have Ibotta rebates for that as well. We've got the Dawn. Now, you can't use these together, even though this says DG exclusive. DG exclusive just means that it's exclusive to this store, but it's still a manufacturer's coupon, so you cannot use it in addition to another manufacturer's coupon. Also, $2 off of one right guard. That's a good one to clip. And $3 off of the 3-pound bag, so the smaller bag of Purina Bella dry dog food. So that's going to be good to clip as well. Okay, make sure you have your 5 off of 30 on your gain clipped for any other gain deals that we're going to do this week. Make sure you have your $3 off Bic clipped. That's another high value coupon. We've got buy one get one free on the 4-pound bag of Purina Alpo. So some good cat and dog deals this week for sure. Good pet deals. Always make sure you have your 5 off 25, your Febreze clipped, and down here are the ones that I've had clipped for a while. There's the Crest, there's the Snuggle and the all the gain coupons, definitely the Swiffer. Some people have asked me before, why don't I just clip all the coupons? Well, the reason for that is sometimes you have a better deal on something than others. For example, up above, I know there was like $1 off on Angel Soft, and right here we have a 50-cent off. Well, since I already have this one clipped, if I buy this Angel Soft product, this is the one that's going to come off first, even if I have that $1 off digital coupon clipped to my account. They're always going to take the lesser coupon first. So that's why you don't want to go in and clip every single coupon right away. You kind of want to be a little bit discerning and see, what's going to be the better deal for you. Buy one, get one free on the Shiba. That's good for a pet deal. And definitely the buy one, get one free on the Friskies down here, and the $3 off one a day and $3 off the Flintstones. Those are going to be a big deal this week for filler items for our 5 off 25 deals. So this is one thing I wanted to mention to you guys too. This is part of the Smart Source paper insert that we got today, which is March 1st, Sunday. So it says up here, save $3 on your next Dollar General purchase when you spend $10 on any combination of these great household brands. So I like this and I don't like it for 2 reasons. One, I like it because I love saving on cleaning products and household things. There's toilet paper, there's paper towels, there's Clorox, there's wipes, there's liquid plumber, so even trash bags. So I'm all about that. That is good. What I don't like is this fine print down here. You can see $10 net purchase price determined after all discounts. So I can't just buy $10 worth of this stuff and use coupons, which we have coupons for all these items. All the Pine Sol, Clorox, Liquid Plumber, Angel Soft. We have coupons for all that. We can't just spend $10 and use coupons and get it down to, really, really cheap and then earn that $3 off our next purchase. It's not going to work like that. We have to be spending $10 after all of our discounts. So I don't love that, but I think there's still a way to get some good savings here. So I just wanted to bring this to your attention. This is definitely something we can consider this week. Also, let's read the rest of the fine print here. Receipt will include $3 off coupon for your next purchase between $2.16 and $3.22. So if we do this deal this week, we would have to use the $3 off coupon by $3.22. And the $3 off coupon is not valid with any other DG coupon offer. So you could not use the 3 off coupon that you earn on a 5 off 25 deal, but that's okay. We could use it to do something else. And I think, with all of the savings, because if you look at the back here, we've got tons of Clorox and Pine Sol and other kinds of coupons. So I think we'll be okay. I think we'll still get that $3 off, but just to bring this to your guys' attention and show you, what we're looking at. Okay, so moving to coupons.com, we've got this $3 off IAM's Proactive Health dog food. I don't know what that typically costs most places. I don't buy items and I don't have dogs, but $3 off is a high value coupon, so hey, why not get it? Scrubbing bubbles for sure, just any cleaning product coupon. And for those of you who do not get inserts or paper coupons, you definitely want to rely on internet printable coupons when you can to add extra savings to your transactions. Okay, so these one-a-day coupons are going to be really important to clip. Like I said, the digital ones that we have on dollargeneral.com are going to be helpful, but the more of these you can get, the better. There's another one of those 75% off Glad food protection. More right guard, I would clip that. That's always helpful. There's another one of the one-a-day, the Flintstones kind. I clip these Rolaids just because sometimes we have a CRT for those at CVS and also a rebate back on Ibotta, so I tend to clip those anytime I see them. If you're like me and you live in a region where you don't get those high value L'Oreal and Garnier coupons, you can get the $3 off instead of the $4 on the internet printable version. More of the CoverGirl, always helpful to have. The Dulcolax, $3 off, always helpful to have, high value. And that's pretty much it for coupons.com. Those are the ones that I would really clip this week. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you're new to this channel, we do this every week where we go over the best deals of the week, and we have videos like this and deals in store going on all the time. So definitely hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of that. Like it if you liked it, if you found some value in this video, and remember to save money, make money, and dream big. And we'll catch you later.
Shut up and sit down.